What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel and my first review ever. What you are looking at is the popular but yet simple NISSAN NP200 1.6i. I guess I is for injector or something. And then it comes with the safety pack, which is basically the radio and aircon. And then I don't know what else, but yeah. And then this is a very simple car, as I've said. As you can see, it comes with two doors, a tailgate, and then it's powered by a 1.6 natural aspirated engine with a 4-cylinder well layout, and it pumps out a whopping, I'm kidding, pumps out only 86 horsepower, and it has a maximum torque of 128 newton meters, and it has 5-speed manual gearbox which sends out power to the front wheels. And then, as you can see, this is its very simple interior with the very simple instrument cluster. Nothing digital here. Very simple. And then you can see it's 13 hours 13 minutes. And then it also comes standard with this simple but yet sophisticated FM radio. And then, as you can see, this is the passenger seat. And then, as you can see, the driver left the spoon. I don't know whether he or she was eating or but as you can see, this is the interior of the car. And then you have a smaller space there for your sound system if you wanna pack it. And then this is your glove box. And then, as you can see, we have a remote for the radio. And then here I was testing it out, and then I found out that I don't know whether it's a battery problem but it wasn't working. And then, as you can see, this is the splash for the radio. I was looking for the English word, but my brain is busy saying I mean and this and again. And then, as you can see, this Bakkie came with a canopy, and then it's not an optional extra. And then this is the loading bay. I don't know if I use the correct term. And then, as you can see, there's a box and a bottle of Coke. And then, as you can see, since this is a small Bakkie, this loading bay or area is small when you compare it with the likes of the Rangers, Hilux. And then this is the 1.6 128 newton meters engine. And then when it comes to the cost of ownership of this vehicle, as you can see, for a new one, you are going to pay 5,221 rand on a monthly basis, I think for 5 years. And then for fuel, since this car has a 50-liter fuel tank, you are going to pay 1,173 rands for fuel. And then for insurance, all thanks to hippo.co.za, I got a code for 1,587 rand, and all in all we are going to pay 8,081 rand for fuel, for paying the car, and for insurance. And then, guys, I forgot to tell you that our test car has traveled 89,667 kilometers on the clock. And as you can see, a similar one with a canopy has traveled 85,000 kilometers. And then it's a 2016 model. And then for it, you are going to pay 100,000 rand or 2,047 rand on a monthly basis. And then, as you can see with this one, it's also a 2016 model, and then it has traveled 84,000 kilometers, and then it goes out for 3,479 rand or 169,950 rand. I don't know what's the difference, or whether it's because this is fresh nyana as compared to that one, but only God knows, and the two dealerships. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And before Nvala, I'd like to send out a special shout out to Mr. How Much and Moses Sambo. You guys inspire me. You guys push me in the logo. And then also a special thank you to Hippo.co.za and Auto Trader Kulang Telecom information. And then last but not least, kokugcina manje, a special thank you to Wandashe Filimora, which is what I use to make my videos. Thank you very much.